hope it chose the right one. Because what in the hell? It didn't choose the right one. Okay, I chose the right one. I was about to flip. But anyway, we're done with that. Now we're here. What's good, my people? Just looking over NAS and S&P. Looking at some funny stuff yet. No funny stuff happening. We got that previous day low just lingering down there. You know, just gonna see how that plays out. I would like to see some prices tag, at least equity open, just bah, you know. But a part of me just thinks today we're gonna be bearish. I honestly think we're just gonna be bearish today, because yesterday I was expecting some higher price to come close above this, dip into this bullish breakup block, and then give us more higher prices. But we didn't do that. We did get some setups, but prices just kept tanking down. So today we're just gonna observe and see what the fuck is going on. Trader, what's good, man? Long time no see. Yeah, no, man. How's it been going, my G? I was actually live yesterday. You probably missed it. After like what? A year? What was the last time I streamed? What was my last stream? What was my last stream? Let me see. Before yesterday. Okay, cancel this one. Must delete this one. This was yesterday, 4 months ago. I did stream 4 months ago. Oh yeah, 4 months ago. I thought it was 7 billion years, like a year ago or something. But it was just 4 months ago. Which it is a long time. It is a fucking long time. I'm in sales from H1 on NAS. What do you enter? Right there. Okay. I don't want to see you again. Where did you enter? From that. From that H1 CB, the recent one. Oh, clean. That was gonna be a clean London entry though. It's gonna be a clutch London entry. It's gonna be clutch. But yeah, there's also a clean one. I like how prices I like how it just literally just closed below this, right on the H1. Right, this candlestick closed below, went to test it again, then came back. Interesting stuff, interesting shit. But this has to be, that sell side has to be, that sell side has to be tagged out at least. Like it has to be tagged out. Yeah, that's the previous day low, innit? That's the previous day low. It has to be tagged out. So if you're targeting that, then that's dope, man. That's dope. I'm waiting for price to sweep that, then maybe look for entries from there. Previous week low can also be swept. Okay, I was disconnected for like a second there. I don't know what the hell was that. But yeah, we're very close to that as well. That's where price looks like it's gonna hit. It looks like it's gonna go there. Let me see the week of that on the H. Let me have it the other way around. As you can see, already hit that 50% yesterday with the previous day low. So just gonna see if we're reversing, it's probably gonna take out that previous day low again and then reverse, or we're just gonna retrace the whole thing and then come take out that low. It'll be a very interesting price action to watch. Very, very, very interesting. But yeah, the previous day low is the next objective right now. Wait. Oh shit, I was muted. Fuck. I didn't. My mic was muted. I knew I wanted US30 to. I mean, now it's actually take out that previous day low, but like, damn, it did, but like not reverse like that right after. This looks so evil. It looks very much evil. What am I waiting for? I have no idea. Let's just wait. Something. I might even wait for equity. I mean, macros. I might even wait for macros because. Damn. Gold is not waiting for nobody. Nobody. Nobody, baby. Yeah. Which is weird. Look at ES. Wait, okay. So ES is falling as US30 as well. Well, US30 is going nuts. I knew it. US30 was gonna be the one that drops like fat cakes. And then there's NAS. Something is wrong here. Nothing is aligning here. Nothing is make sure. Like, what's going on? Like, what is actually going on? What is going on? I'm out BE. I mean, like, did you see this? Like, what is this? Like, what is this, man? Nah, fam. It's like Nas had a mission. Nas legit had a mission. Nas legit had a mission, bro. Like, what is that? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you get EU. I feel like NAS is the stronger one. And then S&P is a very weak, same as US30. Did US30 give out a... Look at this, first presented. US30 is gonna drop. US30 is gonna give us more lower prices. Probably to this previous day low. But I'm expecting more lower prices on US30. Like, there's no reason for it to just reverse here and give us higher prices. There's no reason. And then there's this. This is gonna take out previous day low. Then give us some. I'm actually busy with something here. What the hell? NAS is just not playing at all. NAS is not playing at all. Did we get a first presented? We actually, what the hell? We actually did, but is this tiny ass first presented, which I'm not gonna consider. I actually want price to come here. After the closure, come there. And then we can see what we're talking about. Looking for sales from 15 minutes in GU. Yeah, sounds interesting. USD been cooking. I've been rather gives cleaner setups prior to equity open. Yeah, I told you, remember what I said, even like it's either one will give proper setups, then the other one will does like complete bullshit. But yeah, even here, took out previous day low. And then it just went nuts. It just went nuts. And then S&P. I don't like the fact that it's very weak and it doesn't take out previous day low. Did you take a trade on USD? Did you actually take a trade on USD? Excuse me. You said you're gonna 15-minute market structure shift, which we did close below. The nearest CB is this, so I'm guessing we're gonna be looking for sales right there. Is that true? Is that true, sir? Shit. Well, shit. My eyes are... Jesus, what's going on? Let's see, US30. Obviously, it probably... Oh, the spike wasn't enough. This wasn't enough, bro. Yeah, this wasn't enough. H4. Yeah, H4 looked weird. But look at how it just tapped into this H4 BC here. That's still not enough, man. H1. That is weird. Weird. You're waiting for H1 candle to close, then enter. Interesting stuff, my guy. Interesting. This is weird, man. Like, I don't even know how I feel about this, to be honest. Even now, like, if I were to go long here, right? And then maybe have something like this, which is a weird entry as well, because prices might even come here. and tap this and then take it to previous day high. Like, okay, let's just fuck around and find out, and then let's just do market execution. Let's just fuck around and find out. It's dropping, which is scary because it can be executing trades while it's dropping like this. Look at S&P as well. It's probably gonna go for that previous day low, but we're just gonna fuck around and find out. Just gonna fuck around and find out. Price closure below that, because that will be the first market structure shift formed there, because this is not the first fair value gap as presented, so it can be that. So what I want to see right now is price close inside and it close below. I wanted to see price close below. Fuck around and find out, hey man. Fucking around and finding out, me boy. But I actually don't feel comfortable with this entry for main reasons. There's too much going on here. Unless this is a breakaway gap, which I highly doubt. If it was a breakaway gap, yeah, we took out this buy side here, but I would have seen it take out this. That'd be considered as a breakaway gap. I'm thinking of closing this because also looking at this, S&P has to take out previous day low. I don't think this would play out quite well. I don't think this would actually play out quite well. I have doubts. And then we might be use this as a breakup block to actually get more lower prices. Let me see. S&P actually respecting first presented. Respecting first presented, which is very interesting. Yeah. But what NAS is doing, I'm not familiar with its game right now. Not familiar at all. I am not familiar. Yeah. Where's my tip? Oh. Hectic. That was a crazy candlestick all the way to up there. This was nasty. Look at that. Just wigged just to go there and then drop. That was nasty. Very much nasty. But with the way NAS is looking right now, we might actually drop a little bit lower. But would it come here? Unless this S&P also tries to go for more lower price, NAS is gonna follow. NAS is actually gonna follow, but other than that, just gonna wait and see. Gonna wait and see. was funny. What'd you call and then? Oh damn! Exactly. Fuck around and found out. But like yeah, that wasn't actually a good intro, to be honest. Kinda forced it there. But yeah, we're just gonna see how macros give us, because I still have faith that like this might give us a little bit higher prices from here, at least to Asia high. At least to Asia high, we're gonna clear that. You know, plus the H4 is looking a little bit weird. It's looking a little bit, look at exactly where it took us out, and then now it's just going near. The ideal SL here would have been below this candlestick here, just right here, but this is what I did. Oh, now, only now, S&P actually takes out the low. Only now that it takes out the low. Interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. This actually might be another trade idea. If we actually can close like that. If we can actually close like that. What is Kieran saying? Okay, so it didn't. Anyway, by the way, that's the another trade idea. Just gonna see how that plays out. I saw just right below that candlestick low, as it should have been in the beginning. You know, just gonna wait and see how this plays out. If it doesn't give us something interesting, then it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. Look at how S&P just now trying to pick up some pace. It's only now that it's trying to pick up some pace and then give us something. You said what? 1 hour closure, GU. Oh yeah. Look at this. Tagged into that. Interesting. Interesting. That one here, 1 hour candle still. It's looking sus, my dog. I mean oh man. I mean if that's the case, then okay. Wait for another. Just have to wait for another entry. Just have to wait for another entry, big dog. Not looking clean, not clean price action at all. Just a little bit messy at the moment. I like did you see how gold just oof, it's to previous day low, what happened to my music? Yes. How do I keep you and repeat? It just gave it it's all like beautiful. This was beautiful from London, just like a drop. Interesting stuff. How's that GU? I mean just gonna see how it plays out, I guess. But your entry's looking clean, but I don't think you took it, did you? Still looking sus. Yeah. Market not really looking good at the moment. Let me actually see how that USDT trade. Okay, it just said fuck first presented, I'm going up. So yeah, it just said fuck first presented, I'm going up. Interesting. And then NAS, well, this would actually be the last. If we actually hit SL there, that'll be it for the day. It'll be another day no dollar. So yeah. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Damn, that was quick. It just jumped. It just jumped. But yeah, that'll be it for me. But the question is, where is price going? Are we going low? Are we going for that weekly low? We're probably going for that. Because yeah, this is actually messy as hell. We're probably going for that. Because going for this that I just highlighted. Probably where price is going. Hey guys, that is it for me. That is it for me for the day. I'm not doing any much more. Close below that. 5 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, that is pretty much for me, guys. Any questions? Trader is still looking at your trade. I'm still looking at your trade. The GU. Look at how it just dropping, just dropping. The name of the game was drop. Drop it. So that's yeah, guys, that is the one for the day. I don't think you guys are still here, but appreciate it. We'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. Am I even still live? Why is it not showing that I'm live? Oh, it's showing. I thought it wasn't. Damn. Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow, eh? How long was the stream? An hour. Yeah, minimum. An hour is minimum. So yeah. Peace, guys. Peace.